Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then this list you will enter to the app of Google Drive and you will enter here. As you see, we'll enter to Drive like this. Then this page of app info we click on First Stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. If it's not working, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app here in Google Play Store as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.